بسم الله الرحمن
Welcome
الرحيم.
everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn two topics, ascending and descending order and comparing numbers. In our previous video we learned 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers and how to write the place value, face value, expanded form, number name and standard form, right? Now we will see how to arrange the number in ascending and descending order, that is 5-digit numbers and 6-digit number. And we learned successor and predecessor also in our previous video, right? What is the meaning of successor? The successor of a number is one more than number. The predecessor of a number is one less than the number. Okay. See here, our topic is ascending and descending order. I'll give you one example of ascending and descending order. When we will come from ground floor, when we will go from ground floor to first floor, we will climb the stairs, right? Like this. We will climb the stairs. Suppose like this, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will go from, if we are coming from ground floor to first floor, we will go from first stair, we will climb first stair, then second stair, then third stair, then 4, then 5. Suppose we are having 10 stairs in order to come from ground floor to first floor. Then we will climb first floor, first stair, then second stair, then third stair, then 4, then 5, then 6, so on till 10. We are coming from first state to 10th state, that is we are coming from first state to 10th state. We are going from small to big. So it is a which order? It is a ascending order. Okay, it is a ascending order. From we are coming from ground floor to first floor. Okay, if you are coming from ground floor to first floor, we will climb first stair, second stair, third stair, fourth stair, fifth stair, like that. If you are going from first floor to ground floor back, okay, then we will go from 10th, first we are having 10th stair, we'll climb down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then reach our ground floor first, right? So it is a which we are going from which order? We are going in big to small order. We'll climb down big stair, then small stair, like that, big to small. Okay, so this is a which order? This is a descending order. Understood? When we are coming from ground floor to first floor, we will climb up the stair 1 up to 10. That is, we will go from small to big in ascending order. Okay. When we are coming from ground floor to first floor, we will climb up the stairs from in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is, we are coming from ground floor to first floor, that is in ascending order, small to big. We are coming small to big format, that is ascending order. Okay, if you are going again from first floor to ground floor, we have to climb down the stairs 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is, we are going from big to small, is descending order. Arrangement of numbers from small to big is ascending order, and arrangement of numbers, that can be a number, thing, human being, anything. Okay, in our class also we will see according to height wise we will arrange the students, right? The one we are having more height, we will arrange that at the back. The one who are having less height, we will arrange it first, right? Similarly here also, arrangement of numbers from small to big is ascending order. Arrangement of numbers from big to small is descending order. One example, arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. See. and I'll take one more number, that is see, I have taken how many digit numbers? 5 digit numbers. How many numbers I have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers I have taken. Let's arrange in ascending and descending order. Ascending order means small to big. In ascending order, we'll arrange the numbers in small to big. The numbers are arranged from small to big in ascending order. In descending order, numbers are arranged from big to small. Here first I am writing ascending order, means numbers we have to arrange in small to big format. Okay, ascending order. Let's start. See, I am seeing the question carefully first. This is, I am reading numbers, okay, according to the places, place values. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is 24,521. Okay, we'll see next. This is 46,000, means this is bigger than this. Let's go to the other one. 98,720. This is bigger than this. Let's go last one. This is 24,000. This is also 24,000. But this here, this is 521. Here what we are having? 620. So which is smallest among these two? 24,521 is smallest or 24,620 is smallest? See, this is 24,521. This is 24,620. Means 500 is smaller than 600. Okay, so first we'll write this one. 24,521. Our this number is finished. We have written this already. Next, I am putting semicolon. Why? In order to separate the numbers. Okay, 24,521 completed. What is our next number? 24,620, right? I am writing 24,000. Because why I am saying this? You see here, this is 46,000, this is 98,000. These are bigger than this. 24,620. Place comma correctly, okay? Whenever one period is finished, place the comma. Whenever 1,000 period is finished, place the comma. This one period is finished, that's why I am placing comma. Here also one period is finished, that's why I am placing comma, because 1,000 period will start. Here also 1,000 period will start. What is our next number? These two numbers are completed. This is 46,620, right? Take this, 46,000. I am putting comma because 46,000 period is completed. Next we are starting ones period, 620. I am putting semicolon because we have completed our number. What is our last number? 98,720. 98,720. Okay. Next, understood? I hope you all understood this one. Arrangement of numbers from small to big. छोटे से बड़ा जब आप नंबर को अरेंज करेंगे वो ऑर्डर को आप बोलेंगे ascending order. In ascending order, we arrange the numbers in from small to big. Okay. In ascending order, the numbers are arranged from small to big. Descending order, we'll see. In descending order, what we have to see? In ascending order, we have to see small to big. In descending, reverse order. Big to small. In ascending, small to big. In descending, big to small. Okay. Which is the biggest number among this? 24,521, 46,620, 98,720, 24,620. Which is the biggest among this? Here 24 small, 46 small, 98, 24. 24 is also, 98 is biggest. So 98,720 is our biggest number. We have finished this. What about remaining numbers? 24,620, 24,521, 46. 46,620 is bigger than these two numbers. So I am writing 46,620. Okay. What is our next number? 24,521 is bigger or 24,620 is bigger? Good. 24,600 is there. Is 620. Here 521. So 24,620 is bigger than 24,521. Understood? In ascending order, we will arrange the numbers from small to big. In descending order, we arrange the numbers from big to small. Remember the stairs example. When we are climbing up the stairs from ground floor to first floor, we will climb the first stair, then we will come to 10th stair. Similarly, here also, when we are going from first floor to ground floor, we will climb down the 10th stair, then 9th stair, then like that. Here in descending order, we will go from big to small. In descending order, we arrange the numbers from big to small. Yeah, see here, our next topic is comparing numbers. We are comparing the numbers. How we will compare the numbers? We are having some signs to compare. Like in maths, we are having signs for addition. If we want to add the two numbers, we will put plus sign. If we want to subtract the two numbers, we'll put minus sign. If we want to multiply the two numbers, we'll put multiplication sign. If we want to divide the two numbers, we'll put in between that division symbol. Similarly, here also, in order to compare two numbers, we'll put sign, that is greater than sign, less than sign, equal to sign. This is known as greater than. Okay, greater than. This is known as less than. This is known as equals to. Okay, understood? See, in real life, we'll compare so many things. Like age of your younger brother and your elder brother. Okay, and height of your brother and your sister. And we can see rupees also. If your father is giving to your brother 50 rupees, and if your father is giving to you 30 rupees. Father is giving to your younger brother 50 rupees, and to you he is giving 30 rupees. Which is greater? 50 rupees is greater, right? So we will put this symbol. Okay, this is greater than symbol. Okay, now your height is suppose 12 centimeter. No, I am taking some example, not height. I'll take some example. One more example that I am saying that we have to compare. In order to compare the numbers, we have to start from your left hand side. I'll show you how to compare the two numbers. In class 3, we already learned how to compare the numbers. But here we are saying to compare the numbers. How many digits? Just now I told you 5 digit and 6 digit. In our previous class, we learned how to compare the numbers of 4 digit, 3 digit. Now here we are going to learn how to compare the numbers of 6 digit and 5 digit numbers. Now let's take the example. How many digits, students? How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit, right? Once tens, 100 period finish, it's once tens, 100. Once period is finished, that's why I'm pressing comma. Next, I'm taking some number like I'm placing here in one box. When you are placing in the box, no need to place the comma. Okay. Above the box, above the numbers, I'm writing its place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. See here, we are going to study. We are going to here we are going to compare the two numbers of how many digits? Of how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. That is 10,000 of 5 digit number. How to compare the numbers? See. We are starting from 1. This is how we can read this number: 12,784. This is 1. At which position? 10,000. Next 2 is at which position? 10,000. So here, which is this is 10,000. This is 20,000, right? If you read it separately, this is 10,000. 1 10,000 means 10,000. 2 10,000 means 20,000. Which is bigger than the one? 10,000 is bigger. 20,000 is bigger. 20,000. That's why I'm placing like this. Suppose I'll give you one more example. We'll change the numbers. Understood? When you are going to compare the numbers, you have to start from your left hand side. When you are adding or subtracting or writing some numbers, you have to start from your right hand side. But whenever you are comparing the numbers, whenever you are comparing the two numbers, which one is greater, which one is less than, so you have to start from your left hand side. You have to start from your left hand side. That's why I'm starting from my left hand side. See, I'm starting from my left hand side. In order to compare the numbers, we have to start from our left hand side. Let's see. I change the numbers. So this is 12,784. This is 13,642. I'm taking 1 is at which position? 10,000. See. Okay. Next one is also 10,000. So this is 10,000. This is also 10,000. Now both are equal. Both are same. So we are putting equal to sign. Okay. Next, if see here, when we are comparing first digit, if we are getting both are equal, then we have to move to the next digit. Okay. When we are comparing the digits, start from the left, compare the digits till you find the two digits that are different. We are starting from the first digit from our left hand side. If we are comparing the two numbers, if we are getting same numbers, then we have to move our right hand side. We have to move to the next digit till we find the different digits. जब तक अपने को दो नंबर्स डिफरेंट नहीं दिखेंगे तब तक आप आगे बढ़ते जाना रहेगा. ओके, व्हाट इज अवर नंबर? 3 इज एट विच पोजीशन? 1000. Sorry, 2 is at which position? 1000 first. Next 3 is at which position? 1000. So here, which one is greater? 2000 or 3000? Obviously 3000 is greater, right? So here we can say this number 12,784 is less than 13,642, or you can say 13,642 is greater than 12,784. Understood? So you have to start, whenever you are going to compare some numbers, you have to start from your left hand side. If you are finding that, whenever you are starting the comparison, whenever you are going to start the comparison, if you are finding two digits same, then you have to move to the next digit till you find the two numbers are different, two digits are different. Understood? This is less than, this is greater than. If two numbers are equal, see here, I am taking one more example. I am comparing this. Which sign will come here? Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to. 12,784, 12,784. Both are equal. So we have to put which sign? Equal to sign. This is greater sign, less than, equal to. Compare. In order to compare the numbers, we will use three signs: greater than, less than, equal to. Okay. I'll show you one more thing. See here. If we are having see, 12,742, this is 12,741. We have to start from our left hand side. Just now I told you. 1, 1, both are equal. Okay, leave it. Next, we have to compare next digit. Till we find, we have to do the comparison till we find the different digits. Okay, what is our next digit? 2. Next digit 2. Okay, next we are 7, 7. Next 4, 4. What is our next number? 2. We are getting different digits, 2 and 1. So which is greater? 2 is greater or 1 is greater? 2 is greater. So we are putting greater than symbol. 12,742 is greater than 12,741. C. Now see here, I am starting from my left hand side. Okay, 1, 1, both are same. 2, 2, both are same. Next 8 and 9. Which is greater? 8 is greater or 9 is greater? 9 is greater. So 8 is less than 9. That means 12,843 is less than 943. Okay. Whenever you are finding the two digits are same, don't get a doubt that how to solve that one. Whenever you are finding same digit, move to the next digit. Whenever you are finding the same digit, move to next digit till you find both digits are same. Okay. If you are finding two like this, if you are finding this same, 1, 1 same, 2, 2 same, 8, 8 same, 4, 4 same, 3, 3 same. That means both numbers are equal. We have to put equal to sign. Okay. I'll give you worksheet based on this. Try to complete it and submit it to me. Thank you.